Hello viewers, welcome to this another video. Uh, as we have seen about the introduction to structures and between the differences of append and include, in this video we will see how to create them. Include can be reused anywhere, included only for customer specific tables, whereas append is just like it can't be reused, only it can be appended only at last, and it can be used for both SAP tables and customer specific tables. When it comes to include creation, go to the SC code SC11, go to the data type, enter some name, click create, then select the type as structure, and when it comes to designate types, give some name to it and then save. And after that, save it as a local object, as we have still no project access, or if you have project access you can save it as a package, and then check and activate. Again go to SC11 code, open any table and select a new field, click edit in it and click include, and you can insert, click insert, and then give some and then give the structure name whatever you created. Save, check and activate, and again open the table. uh, you can see about you can see the table with the updated one, and whatever you insert it will be there. And when it comes to append, open any table, go to change append structure, give some name to it, to the append, and after that, uh, whenever you create, select the append structure, you will be asked to give name and a short description, then give some data types whatever related to it, name and related data type, and save as a local object and check and activate. It is easy to create append. And we have a small topic, that is search help. Search help is nothing but uh, you can select the values from the particular list. For that we need to we need to take the help of a small key, that is F4. And we have another topic, that is views. Views are nothing but they are not physical, they are just selected from one or more tables to create our desired table. We have multiple views, that is database view, projection view, maintenance view, help view. Database view is nothing but it is created from multiple tables and we can't reflect any changes. Whenever one table is updated, we can't see the updated value in the view. That means there are one and two tables. We have created view from the two tables. If in the one table, if any value is changed, there is no impact. There is no impact for the view that is combined. And we have projection view. That is, it is only on single table. And we have maintenance view. That means maintaining many tables. That means it will show you the changes. That means if you combine two or three tables, when you change any data in one table, the view also shows the change. And we have one help view. It is nothing but like a search help. That means whatever we have seen in the previous, just before the previous topic, the search view. That means about the only to take our to take some values from the list to select something. it will be like a help view, and below is the uh, path for creating views. Go to the SC, go to the T code SC11, select view, view some name, and select the type of view, database view. Copy, click copy, and in the tables, whatever you selected the table, click on relationships, click copy, and it will show some fields. And when you go to the table fields, select whatever table you want. That means you want to mix the another table or tables, and select all its fields and copy and save it as a local object. Check and activate, and you will see the contents. That means the fields of another table also visible in the view. So whatever we covered in it, just a recap of structures include append creation, and we have discussed small topics search help, and then we have seen the views types of views, and we have seen the creation of the database view. As per up to now, database view, projection view, and maintenance view, whatever the creation is same, and we will see about more of SAP ABAP topics in the next video. Thank you.